Hey everyone, I'm Sam with Eagle Creek, and today let me show you the Packet Isolate Quick Trips. They come in two sizes, extra small and small. They're treated with Protex 2, an antimicrobial agent which fights odor-causing bacteria. It's even washable and water-resistant, which is great for any accidental lotion or shampoo explosions. Use the Packet Quick Trip for toiletries and medications or other alternative uses. I like to even use it for pens and pencils. It features both front and back zippered pockets for an extra layer of organization. The main compartment unzips for full visibility of what's inside. The zippers are super durable and self-repairing, so you never have to worry about overstuffing and split zippers. They also have these awesome climbing rope-inspired pulls, making it easy to grab and giving it a fun outdoor aesthetic. It features this top handle for easy grab and go, and built from a super durable ripstop poly, making it super lightweight. The Packet Isolate Quick Trip is responsibly built and covered by our lifetime warranty, so it outlasts every adventure on your bucket list.